Okay, it's Mike at PEAK Handyman, back to show you a mirror installation. Here is mirror. We're going to put it right here on the wall above the sink, and I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so we have the hanger cable mounted on the mirror so that we get even distribution of weight and we can center it on the wall. I have measured, you probably can't see that little mark, from here up to here is where I'm going to set the mounting hook, and this is just your normal mounting hook, comes in a little package. So here we go. We're going to mount the hook, and it has to be, placement is so that the hook is at your line, not your nails. So I'm going to put it up just here, higher, to get it in place. First nail. Watch out for your light fixtures. Second nail. Bring the mirror over and put it in place. We've got it centered on the faucet, so our faucet and mirror are lined up. You can see yourself, woohoo, in the mirror, and that's all there is to it. See you in the next one.